Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Myself Professor Gadak Dhanashree. Today we will discuss practical on numerical solution of first order ordinary differential equations. So first example is using Taylor series. So solve. So y dash of y dash is equal to x minus y square. So value of y of 0 is equal to 1. Also find y of 0.1 correct to 4 decimal places. So here given x0 is equal to 0 and y0 means y of 0 is equal to 1. Hence the Taylor series is around x is equal to x0 is y of x is equal to y0 plus x minus x0 y dash of 0 plus x minus x0 bracket square upon 2 factorial y double dash of 0 plus x minus x0 raised to 3 upon 3 factorial y triple dash of 0 plus x minus x0 raised to 4 upon 4 factorial y raised to 4 of 0 plus x minus x0 raised to 5 upon 5 factorial y raised to 5 of 0 is equal to y0 plus value of x0 is 0. So x minus 0 is x, y dash of 0 plus x square upon 2 factorial y double dash of 0, x0 is equal to 0 plus x minus 0 is x raised to 3 upon 3 factorial y triple dash of 0 plus x raised to 4 upon 4 factorial y raised to 4 plus x raised to 5 upon 5 factorial y raised to 5 of 0. So first given y dash of y dash is equal to x minus y square. Put value y dash of 0 means x is equal to 0. So we get 0 minus value of y of 0 is 1. So value of y of 0 is 1. So 1 square is 0 minus 1 square is minus 1. Next evaluate y double dash. So derivative of y dash is fx plus f into fy means derivative of x is 1 and derivative of y square is 2y. Again derivative of y is y dash. So put value. So y double dash of 0 is 1 minus 2. Value of y of 0 is 1. Value of y dash of 0 is minus 1. So 1 into minus minus plus 1 plus 2 is 3. Next evaluate y triple dash is equal to derivative of y double dash. So derivative of 1 is 0 minus 2 as it is. So y and y dash there is multi in product form. So we use u into derivative of u into v. So y as it is derivative of y dash is y double dash plus so minus plus minus 2 as it is. So y dash as it is derivative of y is y dash. So y dash y square. Put value y triple dash of 0. So minus 2 y of 0 is 1 y double dash of 0 is 3 minus 2 y dash of 0 is minus 1 square. So minus 2 into 1 into 3 minus 2 into minus 1 square. So evaluate this we get minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8. Next y raised to 4 is equal to minus 2. So taking 2 common. So y triple derivative of y and y double dash in product form. So using derivative of u into v. So y as it is derivative of y double dash is y triple dash minus derivative of y is y dash and derivative of y double dash as it is minus 2 y dash of square derivative of y dash of square is 2 into y dash. Again derivative of y dash is y double dash. So evaluate we get minus 2 into y triple dash minus plus so 2 y dash y double dash minus 2 into 2 4 y dash y double dash. So derivative of y raised to 4 0 is y derivative of y of 0 is 1 y triple dash of 0 is minus 8 minus 2 y dash of 0 is minus 1 y double dash of 0 is 3 minus 4 y dash of 0 is minus 1 y double dash of 0 is 3. Simulate we get y of 4 0 is 34. Next y raised to 5 is equal to minus 2 as it is derivative of y triple dash in product form. So y as it is triple dash of derivative is y raised to 4 plus y raised to 3 as it is derivative of y is y dash minus 2 as it is. Again derivative of y dash y double dash y dash as it is derivative of y double dash is y triple dash plus the root of y dash is y double dash and y double dash as it is minus 4 y dash and y double dash, the root of y dash and y double dash there is in product form, so v is the root of u into v. So the root of y dash is y double dash and y double dash as it is plus the root of y dash as it is, the root of y double dash is y triple dash. So evaluate, so we get minus 2 y raised to 4 minus 8 y dash y triple dash minus 6 y double dash bracket square. So y raised to 4 of 0, so value of minus 2 as it is, value of y of 0 is 1, value of y raised to 4 of 0 is 34 minus 8, value of y dash of 0 is minus 1, value of y dash of 3 is minus 8 minus 6, derivative of y double dash, value of y double dash of 0 is 3 bracket square, evaluate, we get y raised to 5 of 0 is minus 294. So substitute this value in equation first. So we get y of x is equal to 1 minus x plus 3 into x square upon 2 minus 4 into x cube upon 3 plus 17 into x raised to 4 upon 12. So to obtain y of 0 minus 1, so correct to 4 decimal places, we consider the terms up to x raised to 4 and putting x is equal to 0.1. So we obtain, so we put value x is equal to 0, so we get y of 0.1 is 0.9138. Thank you. If you like this video, then subscribe and like. Thank you very much.